These dog costumes had me wheezing. I still don't know whether to laugh or run. Number 5. Eggplant dog. It's giving unspoken emoji energy. Number 4. Uncle dog with key car. Number 3. Ambulance corgi. Short legs, fast heart. Number 2. Grandma dog. She looks like she's judging your life choices, and she's not wrong. Number 1. Chuckie dog. Running at you with a fake knife and real enthusiasm. Cute meets chaos. I die laughing, literally. Which one wins for you? Comment below. And yes, I'd trust Grandma Dog with my taxes.